Alright guys, back here on the bus. Out of breath. But yeah, still working away at it. So, went and picked up some insulation, some ply, and got the first piece down. Yeah, nice. It's coming along. Whew, a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's coming. It's an R3 1/2 inch. The 3/4 inch stuff and the cheap stuff was like an R2 point something. But I like the closed cell stuff because it's a lot harder. It's not that, crap foam stuff. But yeah, it's coming along, so we're gonna try and get the rest of this done today, hopefully. And then I haven't figured out what I want to do with the floor, actually, if I want to paint it just to give it extra protection or not. I'm not sure. But so what I've been doing is just pre-drilling holes through the wood, through the styrofoam into the pan, and then using 1 or 2 inch metal screws. But yeah, that way they get right in and I can keep it level. But yeah, cool. So she's coming together. Another thing I'm doing is putting caulking over every single one of these little holes, and then as this squishes down on top of it, it squishes it, plus it seals it. So whew, that's what I am up to. So after I get so far back, I'll have to move this stuff on top of it over here and then continue to the back. I've got a 2x3 I can butt up against the wood where my wall is going to go. I can just butt it up against the wood like I did here. And then I can build my wall back there. Yep. It's coming along. But yeah, I got to get back at it. Cheers, guys, and hopefully in the next vid, have this all insulated and hopefully most of the ply down. Cheers. Well, guys, still at it. Got quite a bit done. Got 3 sheets down. Let me see. Got 3 sheets down and a couple more of the 2-footers. It's kind of a pain in the butt, these cuts. This corner. That one's actually missing rubber, that's why it's like that, but it should be kind of like that, but I can fill that in if I need. Yeah, it's coming along. Those boards are all screwed in. Got 3 left, I believe, to make it all the way to the back, but kudos to everybody out there who has help. Because I don't. I gotta do it on myself. So I gotta move the cabinets. I'm gonna get 1 more sheet of plywood down to protect the foam. And I don't know if you can tell, behind the counter there I've got a fridge cart, and that's how I moved it back there. I just lifted this end and the fridge cart stayed where it was. So I just wheeled it back that way, so and do the same coming back to put it here so I can start working further back. But yeah, it's all working out pretty good. Me do Walt the vacuum just to clean up when I'm doing the saw and shit. But yeah, extra set of hands would be nice, but we'll get her done. As I said, it's a little bit of work doing it by myself, but we'll get her done. I'm stubborn enough. All right, so I'm gonna continue on and see how far I get. Well, guys, you guys are gonna be a little shaky where you're at, but let's see if my cutting, see if my cutting skills were any good. Just because I got a weird, oh yeah, you guys are like, whoa, 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 whoa. But we're gonna see. Oh, sorry. We're gonna see how well the skills are. Sorry, I just gotta suck some shit up. Good enough. So let's see if she fits. Done. No. Whew. Oh. Piece of shit in the way. Ugh. Well. Oh shit. Forgot to cut that little chunk out. Forgot I had to cut just a little chunk of this out. Oh. Because the other side doesn't have this little lip. Hopefully. Uh-oh. It's already not looking good. But yeah, already not looking too good. Oh, off by just come grab you. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I think it's mainly because of that and the actual rubber. I think I measured it a little too low. Tough call. But yeah, literally. It's like just a smidgen. I wonder if I can beat it into place. Let's try that. We'll beat it into place. See what happens. Place is a mess. Can't find my 2-pound. Smidgen off. Damn it. Yeah. Yeah. Just a smidgen off. So, gotta pull it back up. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna pull it back up and just trim about like, not even, probably just an 1/8 inch off of this edge on both sides. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna get that done and we'll be able to slide her in. Well, looks like that did it. But kind of destroyed my wood trying to get it over this. It's where 2 people would be nice, but oh well. That gap will do. Alright, I'm gonna get this screwed down just like that one. Well guys, that's as far as I got. She's all screwed down. I gotta call it a day. My back is done. But when I come here tomorrow, I can move all this to the front and continue on. Because I literally only got 2 sheets left to go. And I'm golden. I think I might be short a sheet. Two sheets. Let me take some measurements here. Ah. Where is my back wall gonna be? Back wall. Right there. Might have to do some piecing in at the back. Because, okay, say that's 2 inches away from that. This would be 8 foot. So if that's 2 inches, this would be 8 foot 7.5. Yeah. So from here to the lip back in there where my wall's gonna go, you figure 2 inches, the wall's gonna go right here, so that takes care of that 2 inches, basically the seam, and that to there is 8 foot 7. And those aren't gonna be enough. Those cutoffs I don't think will be enough. Where'd I put my measuring tape? Yeah, it's definitely not 7 inches. 5.5. So I might have to buy one more sheet. Yeah, I'll get things. But I'll get things figured out. But I gotta get this cleaned up and get out of here. I've been up since 1 a.m. this morning. Well, 1:30. And it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. I'm done. I need food. I need sustenance. Alright guys, so we're gonna upload this, and basically this is every day I'm here. I'm gonna upload a video of me being here, what I'm doing. Yep. So, cheers. Till the next day.
Tomorrow, I hope.